Hi, to uninstall all Bloatware on the Poco X7, just open Settings on the phone and now scroll down to find your Apps tab. After you found it, choose to manage your apps. And now you should see this list of your apps. So as you can see, there are a lot of them. You can also sort them by used recently, storage used, installation time, and app name. You can tap on three dots and choose to show all apps, like that. And now just find something you wanna uninstall. Let me just switch back to my default list of apps. For example, this dust saddle. I don't use it, so we can tap this recycle bin to uninstall and confirm by tapping OK. And now it is uninstalled successfully. Here you can delete your file manager, for example, but in that case you need to force stop it. Also, we can get rid of some Mi apps such as Mi Remote. So tap it and choose to uninstall. So if you don't use IR Blaster on the phone, then you can uninstall this Mi Remote app, so we don't need this one. Also, you can take a look at Poco Community, and from which you can delete some not needed apps such as Snake Zone and so on. So you can delete all of the apps, all of the games, just by tapping uninstall and tapping this OK button. And yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.